Are you tired of working every single day and earning peanuts? Want to know a way to make some serious cash without breaking a sweat? Then you're watching the perfect video. I'm about to show you the insanely easy TikTok copy and paste method that can earn you a whopping $7,000 per month. Yes, you heard that right, $7,000 per month with hardly any effort. And I'm about to break down exactly what you need to know and do to make this work for you. I just need you to pay close attention to every step because I don't want you missing out on any important money-making details. Let's get right into it. So, have you ever struggled with getting your social media accounts noticed? It can be tough to gain traction, especially when you're just starting out. But don't worry, I've got an awesome solution for you that won't break the bank. It's none other than Panel Stars. For those of you who haven't heard of Panel Stars before, it's a social media marketing website that offers a wide range of affordable social media engagement services. You can get likes, follows, views, and much more at super reasonable prices, making it an excellent option for anyone who wants to boost their social media presence without spending a fortune. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Panel Stars to make some extra cash by increasing the number of followers on TikTok pages. It's a simple process that can have a huge impact on your social media presence, so make sure you pay close attention. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on any important details. So let's start by discussing why having a strong social media presence is so important. You might already know that having a big following on social media can help you expand your reach, promote your brand, and even earn money. But did you know that brands are more likely to collaborate with influencers and businesses that have a strong social media presence? That's where Panel Stars comes into play. Their budget-friendly social media engagement services can help you quickly and easily increase your TikTok following, which can help you attract more brands and business opportunities. And the best part is that you can use this knowledge to help others increase their visibility too. Step 1. Sign up to panelstars.com. Now that you're familiar with Panel Stars, let's take the first step and sign up. Don't worry, this is going to be super easy and straightforward. To begin, head on over to panelstars.com. You'll see a variety of social media engagement services that you can buy to boost your online presence. But let's not get ahead of ourselves just yet. For now, let's focus on registering. To get started, look for the Sign Up button at the top of the page. Click on it and you'll be directed to a page where you'll need to provide some basic information. Don't worry, it's nothing complicated. Just enter your name, email address, and password that you'll remember. Then click on Create Account. And just like that, you're all set up and ready to go. Once you're signed up, you'll be redirected to the dashboard, where you'll find a variety of social media engagement services that Panel Stars provides. From likes to followers, views to comments, you can select the service that best suits your requirements. The best part? Each service comes at a reasonable price, making it an ideal choice for anyone looking to boost their social media presence without breaking the bank. So, what are you waiting for? Start buying these services and offer them to your clients or followers to start making some extra cash. But wait, what if you're not sure which services to purchase or how to go about offering them to others? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In the next step, we'll go over how to find TikTok pages that have less than 30,000 followers and how to reach out to them to offer your services. Step 2. Go to TikTok and find pages that have less than 30,000 followers. Okay, so the next step is all about finding TikTok pages that could benefit from your services. So let's start by looking for pages that have less than 30,000 followers. Why this number, you ask? Well, it's because these pages are likely still in the early stages of building their following and could really use a boost. Plus, they may not have the budget to invest in expensive social media marketing services, which is where you come in with your affordable services. But how do you find these pages? It's actually pretty simple. Just hop on over to TikTok and start searching for pages that have great content but are lacking in followers. Look for pages that align with your niche or industry and have the potential to grow with a little bit of help. Step 3. Get in touch with the creators. Now that you know how to find the right TikTok pages to target, it's time to focus on crafting the perfect message to send to their creators. Keep in mind that this message will be your first impression, so it's important to make it count. Think about what you want to say and how you want to say it. It's always a good idea to start with a friendly greeting, like "Hey there" or "Hi." Then you can mention that you came across their page and were impressed with their content. It's important to be genuine here. If it's possible, then don't just copy and paste the same message to every page you come across. Alright, so now that you've built some rapport, it's time to start getting down to business. Start off by mentioning that you noticed their follower count is on the low side, and let them know that you have a solution to help them increase it. It's important to emphasize the benefits of having more followers. Not only will they be able to reach a larger audience, but they'll also be able to attract more potential customers and establish themselves as a credible figure in their niche. And of course, don't forget to mention that you can do all of this in just a few days. Finally, ask if this is something they would be interested in. You want to make it clear that you're offering something of value, but also give them the opportunity to opt out if it's not the right fit for them. You could try something like this. "Hey creator, I recently watched your TikTok and found a lot of value in it. But when I saw your account, it has way less followers than I expected. You must know that people can only trust you if you have more than 30,000 followers on TikTok, and I can help you with this. I can get you over 30,000 in just a few days. Please tell me if that's something you're interested in." Make sure to add your own touch when you craft this message. It's important to show your personality and be authentic, as people want to work with someone they can connect with and trust. Remember, the goal is to let the creator know that you can provide something valuable to them and their page. So, whether you're funny and lighthearted or serious and straightforward, make sure your message conveys your unique style and lets the creator know that you're someone they can rely on. If you're having trouble coming up with the right message to send to creators, don't worry. Simply head over to chatgpt.com and describe what you want to say. For example, "I'm offering services to help increase TikTok followers for pages with low engagement. Can you assist me in creating a message to send to creators?" ChatGPT will then generate a response that you can use as a starting point to tailor your own style and voice. It's a great way to ensure that you're putting your best foot forward and increasing your chances of success. Step 4. Charge a higher price than panel stars to get a profit. Great job on sealing the deal with the creator. Now let's talk about payment. It's important to charge a fair price for your services, so don't sell yourself short. Remember, you deserve to make a profit for your hard work. After agreeing on the payment with the creator, it's time to head back to Panel Stars and start fulfilling the service. It's a piece of cake that anyone can do. Just choose the service that you want to offer, likes, follows, views, and more. After that, enter the account details and make the payment. All you need to do now is sit back and relax while waiting for the social media engagement to be delivered to the account. That's it! You've successfully completed your first job with Panel Stars. Now, repeat this process with other TikTok pages and watch the cash flow in. The more you do it, the easier it becomes. And that's today's tutorial wrapped up. I hope you found the information useful and are excited to try it out for yourself. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll be bringing you more tips and tricks for making money online. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.